How to fix disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you are facing issues with Wi-Fi disabled on Android phone, here's what to do. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button on your device. Now swipe to restart and check if Wi-Fi works. Step 2. Open settings. Scroll down. Now look for the option of connection and sharing and tap to access it. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This resets all the network conditions or connections. Next, you need to reset network settings. Head to the settings. Navigate to the search bar. Type in reset. List of reset will appear. Look for the option of reset network settings and tap to access it. Select Reset Network Settings for resetting Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. Enter your identity or password and select Reset Network Settings. If nothing works, your Wi-Fi chip might be damaged. Visit the service center for repair. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.